ElevenLabs Conversational AI Agents are a powerful new feature designed to create AI voices that can talk, listen, and hold intelligent conversations, essentially turning static voiceovers into fully interactive characters or assistants. Think of them as AI voice agents powered by natural language understanding such as ChatGPT and realistic ElevenLabs voice synthesis, which works together in real time. And that feature is going to be under the products category. Head over to conversational AI and we can see agents right here. Now we do have some pre-made ones. We have a support agent, so you can talk to Alexis, a dedicated support agent who is always ready to resolve any issues. We have mindfulness coach, sales agent, video game characters. Lots of ways to use conversational AI. You can even create your own, start from blank, or create your own agent with this button right here. And we can customize it. So we can set the language, any additional languages, our first message that the agent will wait for the user to start the conversation. And then here's what we're creating the agent with. So the system prompt and then the dynamic variables. You can select your LLM model. Lots of features, so make sure to test it out, see what works for you, and kind of what kind of agent you want the personality to be.